Good day to all. Welcome to another nutrition episode on SG Dr. Wellness. Coach Alvin here, and it is great to have you again. Fatty foods have traditionally gotten a bad rap for its negative effects to our body. However, it is important to note that not all foods are made the same, and not all fatty foods are actually harmful to your health. Before you pick up that bag of potato chips, let me cite the list of fatty foods that are actually good for you. And no, it does not include that bag of chips. Alright, before we start, please hit the subscribe button if you have not done so. It will definitely make us happier than a potato. So in general, foods that are high in good fats, namely monosaturated and polysaturated fats, can help to promote good cholesterol and reduce bad ones in the body. So number one on the list will be fatty fish. No, not fish that are obese, but ones that are high in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel. Omega-3 is also anti-inflammatory, which helps maintain a strong immune system and also help you fight off chronic diseases. Number two on the list will be avocados. Avocados are rich in good fats, so much so that they are 80% fat. On top of that, they contain potassium, antioxidants, and it's very high in fiber. It is also a very versatile fruit which can not only be consumed on its own, but also widely used in shakes, salads, and as a side dish. A study found that an avocado a day in a heart-healthy diet over a 5 weeks period was able to reduce the bad or LDL cholesterol of 45 overweight men and women. Next will be eggs. One egg contains about 5 grams of fat, of which virtually all of them exist in the yolk. But do not worry, 75% of these fats are healthy unsaturated fats. Eggs are also jam-packed with other vitamins, minerals, and muscle-building protein. For those who are worried about elevated cholesterol levels, as eggs are known to be high in, for the large majority of us, consuming eggs are said to not alter the cholesterol levels in us. But for those who have high cholesterol levels, might want to seek a dietitian or doctor's advice before including it regularly to your diet. Nuts are next on the list. Nuts are very nutritious and convenient on-the-go snacks, which are not only high in good fats, but also high in calories. But it is this high in calories and high fiber content that is able to keep one's appetite in check. In fact, a study has shown that a high consumption of walnuts was associated with lowering diabetes risks, and that consuming a handful of nuts regularly in replacement of other unhealthy snacks was able to combat obesity and type 2 diabetes. So, keep a small pack of big nuts of your liking in your office drawer so you can have that healthy treat whenever you feel the hunger pangs. So full-fat yogurt is next on the list. As yogurt is a dairy-based product, a full-fat version can actually contain quite a bit of saturated fats. In the past, saturated fats has been villainized as a cause of heart diseases, but studies have shown that people who consume full-fat dairy are not prone to developing cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes as compared to those who consume the lower fat versions. In fact, dairy products of all kinds is closely associated with lowering the risk of premature death and lower incidence of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Yogurt in this case is packed with nutrients. They are rich in calcium and protein and also teeming with gut-healthy probiotics. One thing to note though will be to consider Greek yogurt and those with reduced sugar for a healthier choice. When it comes to healthier oils, everyone can agree that olive oil is always somewhere at the top. And this is true. Not only is olive oil very easy to purchase from your neighborhood supermarkets, olive oil is rich in monosaturated fats, known as oleic acid, which is said to help reduce inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidative effects are so pronounced that it is said to have benefits towards fighting chronic illnesses, prevent heart diseases, increase insulin sensitivity, and may even prevent cancer. Well, here you go. Even though there are lots more food out there that contain good fats, I have cited a list which I feel is adequate enough to easily incorporate into your daily diet program. Remember to always consume whole foods and keep well away from overly processed ones. Alright, till the next time, stay safe and stay healthy.